It's going to ruin my life. Korea, please, sir.
I am the one arresting you, but...
I'll take everything. I'll please don't charge me. I really don't want to be in the city.
Halloween partisinden çıkan Naomi Furrer şüpheli hareketleri yüzünden polis tarafından durduruluyor. Ehliyeti 5 kere askıya alınan ve alkol testini geçemeyen bu sarışın tutuklanmamak için polise birazdan ahlaksız bir teklifte bile bulunacak.
How are you?
Hi, Jeff.
You got your driver's license on you?
Yes, I was just picking up my friend.
Okay.
I was just picking up my friend from Northport.
Okay. Where are you headed to?
She lives in Northport. I was just trying to
Thank you.
Naomi'nin ruhsatı verirkenki yüz ifadesine dikkat ederseniz gerginliğini net bir şekilde görebilirsiniz.
You know you gotta pay tickets.
Huh?
I said, you know you gotta pay the tickets.
I did pay them all. That ones that I applied for. I'm sorry.
All right. Do me a favor, hop out real quick.
Polis şüpheleniyor ve bazı testler yapmak için Naomi'ye araçtan inmesini söylüyor. Bundan sonrası Naomi için işlerin daha da kötüye gideceğinin habercisiydi.
All right. We'll come right back over here so we don't get hit. All right. So, listen, tonight's not my first night doing this.
Okay.
Where are y'all really coming from tonight? Because your eyes are bloodshot and glossy, your speech is slightly slurred.
I'm just very tired, that's all.
There's alcohol coming off the drug. Okay? Check your eyes, do a couple exercises, make sure you're good. Okay? Cool with that? All right, just take like 2 steps back.
Okay.
You wear glasses, contacts, anything like that?
I wear contacts.
Okay. Are they in right now?
Yes, right.
Are they permanent or are they hard or soft?
I always take them out every night.
Okay, so they're soft. Can you stand with your feet and heels together like this?
Yes.
Arms straight down your side. The very tip of the pen right here where my finger is, can you see that?
Yep.
Actually, let me kill my light so I'm not blinding you. Figure it's a little rude for you staring into that bright ass light.
It's all good.
So, right here, tip of my pen is,
Yep.
okay?
Yep.
With your left pointer finger, I want you to reach up, touch the tip of the pen, and put it back down your side. Okay. That's your right.
Oh, my left and my right.
Okay. So we're in agreement where the tip of the pen is, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna move it back and forth in front of your face a few times.
Okay.
I want you to keep your head straight
Okay.
and just follow it back and forth with your eyes.
Gotcha.
Make sense?
Yep.
Keep your head straight. Just look back and forth with your eyes.
Okay, gotcha.
Okay. Make sure you keep your head straight. All right, let me relax for a second. So how comfortable is it to walk in those boots?
They're okay, I guess.
Do you think you could walk a straight line in those boots, or do you want to take the boots off and put slides or something else on, or do it barefoot? Or, it's up to you.
I can try to walk a straight line.
Okay. So just take like 4 or 5 steps back.
Yep.
And then right here, obviously you see this fog line right here?
Yep.
What I want you to do is put your right foot in front of your left, touching heel to toe like this.
Like this?
Yes. You're right in front of your left.
Yes.
Yes. So just stay like that while I explain the rest of the exercise, okay? When I tell you to, and only when I tell you to, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps down the fog line. On your 9th step, you're going to leave your front foot planted on the ground, and you're going to turn yourself around by taking a series of small steps. I'm going to demonstrate all this to you as well, okay? And then you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps back down the line. Make sense so far? So when I tell you to begin, it'll look like this, okay? Your right foot's in front of your left, touching heel-to-toe. I'll tell you to begin. You're going to go 1, 2, 3. I'm going to 3 just to show you. You're going to go all the way to 9, okay? 9th step, front foot stays on the ground. Turn yourself around by taking a series of small steps, and then 9 heel-to-toe steps back. 1, 2, 3. Again, so on and so forth all the way to 9. Make sense so far?
Yep.
Okay. The whole time you're performing the exercise, I want you to look at your feet, count out loud on every step. Make sure you touch heel to toe on each step. 9th step, turn around the way I showed you by taking those series of small steps.
Yeah, that's
and then do 9 steps back the same manner you took the first ones.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yep.
One last thing, once I tell you to begin the exercise, don't stop it until it's complete.
Okay.
Can you just occupy this lane, please? All right, any questions?
And could I do it without the shoes too, or no? Is this?
Do you want to try it with the shoes or without?
I don't know. I just prefer it without because they're very cricket.
Okay, yeah,
so I just don't want you.
If you want to take the shoes off, you can take the shoes off. That's fine.
Just be sure.
So you still understand all the instructions to it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So go ahead and get back with your right foot in front of your left, touching heel to toe. If you have no questions, you can go ahead and begin.
1, 2.
All right. If you have no questions, you can go ahead and begin.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 1016, 1017, 1018, 1019, 1020, 1021, 1022, 1023, 1024, 1025, 2026, 2027, 2028, 2029.
Okay, you can stop.
2030.
Okay. We'll come right back over here a little bit so we're out of lane. All right. Same, you're familiar with the English alphabet from the letter A to Z?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you think when I tell you to, do you think you could recite the English alphabet from the letter A to Z in a non-rhythmic tone? So not singing the alphabet song, just...
Polis, Naomi'den alfabeyi saymasını isterken aslında basit bir şey test ediyor. Alkol veya madde etkisindeki kişilerin düşünce ve koordinasyon yetenekleri bu tür sorularda hemen açığa çıkar.
Saying A, B, C, D. Can you do that?
Yep.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So with your feet and heels together, arms down to your side, I want you to tilt your head slightly back, close your eyes, and recite the alphabet from the letter A to Z.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, Z. XC, sorry.
Okay.
I'm from Switzerland. I mean,
I
it's
got
a
you.
little different. I'm sorry.
How long you been in America?
For 3 years now.
Okay.
Testlerde başarısız olan Naomi kelepçeleniyor ama sonrasında polise akıl almaz cümleler kuruyor.
Do me a favor, put your hands on your back. Put your palms together like you're praying. You're under arrest for DUI. Okay? DUI.
But I'm not drunk or anything.
Okay, I'll explain it all to you, mate. Just look back forward. I'm going to take your watch off, okay?
But I did everything
Okay.
that you asked me to, right?
You did everything that I asked you to, but all those exercises you performed,
Yeah.
I look for indicators of impairment, okay? And tonight, you have exhibited enough indicators of impairment to believe you are not safe to operate a motor vehicle, okay?
But I was just, I just didn't remember the
I'm
number.
going to lock these so they don't get any tight on you.
It wasn't just a number. Okay. So,
Please, sir, I can't have a DUI. Please.
okay.
I'll do everything. I promise. Sir, I'm from Switzerland. I can't have a DUI, please. I don't want to get out of, I don't want to get kicked out of
Wait
the
until
US.
I have a white female temperature and
I understand. I won't do that until, please, sir.
But
I literally stopped
you're
and I have somebody pick me up.
not even supposed to be driving in the first place. You have 5 different suspensions on your license. You have an insurance suspension and 3 fail to pay traffic tickets.
I
So I'm
promise
not gonna
I'll
sit
have
there
somebody pick up me. Please.
We're past that.
But I will not have anybody. Please don't charge me for DUI. I promise I'll have somebody pick me up. Please, I'll leave my car here, like you said you would.
We can't leave a car here, and I never said we would.
Or like I have the car.
Well, the car can't be driven anyway because there's no insurance on it.
But, yeah, exactly. But like I'll have to. Please take the DUI off, please, sir. I promise have somebody pick me up.
It's out of my hands.
That should have been done before you left, wherever you left, okay? You can't be driving like this. This is how people die.
I understand, sir, but I wasn't drinking or like I wasn't thinking I would cause an accident or anything.
On a scale of 0 to 10, 0
Yeah.
being stone cold sober,
Yes.
10 being the most drunk you've ever been in your
Yeah.
life, where would you put yourself? You are going to jail for DUI.
Please, sir, please.
It's out of my hands.
I'll pick myself up, please, sir. I don't want to go out of the U.S., please.
It's
Please, sir, it's going to ruin my whole life.
that does a DUI does not mean that you're going to up and be deported.
Yes, because I'm from Switzerland. I'm on a green card. I'm not.
Wait, hold on. Please start next 1070 location, please.
I'm on a green card. I'm not on a
So
Please, sir. I promise I'll have myself pick me up. You can take my car, please, sir.
it's out of my hands tonight. Okay. So let's go ahead and walk back over.
But you're the one arresting me, right?
Yes, I am the one arresting you, but the decision to make the arrest is already out of my hands tonight. So let's walk back over.
Why?
Because everything we've done tonight is on video. Everything. The car, both of us, we're videoing everything. We're not.
I have a camera here. I
But
have
you
3
can still
cameras.
make your decision about why you're going to arrest me for what.
And here's the thing: just because you get arrested doesn't mean you get convicted of this. Okay? So take a breath. Okay? This isn't the end of it. Okay? You still have a day in court. You'll still be able to fight this. If he's going to give you an opportunity.
I promise I'll have somebody pick me up.
What's
please.
going to happen?
I don't want to go
Listen,
to jail,
let me explain
please.
this to you. So when we get down to the jail, I'm going to give you the opportunity to submit to a breath test, to blow in a breathalyzer. That is your opportunity to show me, prove me wrong, prove me that you are not drunk, and you are safe to operate a vehicle. But
Please, sir. It's going to ruin my life career, please, sir.
do you have a pair of shorts or something in here that we can put on to cover you up a little bit?
That jersey. I put that on her.
Please, sir, please. I'll take everything off. Please don't charge me, but I don't want to go to jail. Please, sir.
I don't want you to take everything off.
Please, sir, not tonight, please.
I'm gonna.
I promise I'll have somebody pick me up and drive me home. I promise.
I'm gonna show you a little bit of decency and cover you up a little bit. You don't want to go into jail looking like that.
Please, please.
Ma'am, there's nothing we can do. It is completely out of our hands, okay?
Yeah,
We
but
didn't-
you
listen,
can
listen.
make a decision about arresting me. I promise I'll have somebody drive me home.
Listen,
I promise, please.
we didn't do this. You put yourself in this situation. We're just a consequence of your decisions tonight, okay? I'm happy that you're going to jail and that you're not in a body bag or that you didn't kill a family driving up the road.
I really want to kill myself. I don't want to be in this situation.
Okay.
I really want to be dead. I really
Calm
don't want to
down.
be in this situation.
No one wants to be in this situation, but you need to take this as a learning experience.
No,
Okay? Put her in the car.
no, please, sir.
Let's walk back over. No,
Sir,
this way.
please.
This way.
Ma'am, there's nothing we can do, okay?
No,
Come on, please.
no.
Don't make
Hey,
this any
by not going, you're just going to make it worse.
because the pulling away and everything is another charge. Okay? So
Sir,
let's just be an adult
I
and
promise
take your
I do
lesson.
everything. I cannot. Because the
Come
thing
on.
is, if I'm from
listen,
Switzerland, I can't have a DUI. I promise you.
I'm gonna ask you one more time to walk to my car, and then I'm gonna make you go to my car. Okay? So please, let's just be an adult about this and go to my car.
But the thing is, if I'm from Switzerland,
Please
I can't have
go
a
to my car.
DUI. Please.
Okay. That does not.
Change the charge.
There's nothing I can change it to.
Like we said, you're being charged with it. You're not convicted of anything. Okay, we don't convict people. You can get an attorney, you can go through court, you can do everything that you need to do to still stay here, okay? This isn't the end of this. Okay, I promise you that. Have you ever been in trouble before?
Yes.
For what?
Well, I've been in a bad situation where I've been in a car where like there was apparently cocaine like found, but I was just in the car. I didn't know about it.
Okay.
But
So,
I
your
got
car's,
out of it.
Your car's going to be searched. Is there cocaine in the car tonight?
No, sir.
Okay,
I
perfect.
did not have anything in
Okay.
it. I wasn't charged of it.
Okay.
I got away
You were just
with
there.
It. Yes, exactly.
Okay, okay.
So I didn't get charged with anything.
So you
else.
kind of know how the system works. Just because you get in trouble tonight doesn't mean that this is going to still be you in trouble in a week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks, right? There's a process
But,
to this.
sir-
But tonight you are going to go to jail, okay? There is no way that we can get around that.
Why not? I promise
Okay.
I'll have somebody pick me up.
We're way beyond that. Where'd you leave? A bracelet. So you were at a bar or a club tonight. What's the yellow bracelet?
That was from Friday. That
Okay.
was already a lost. That was a couple nights
So
ago.
you were just at a Halloween party tonight? I believe you.
I promise.
I believe
That
you.
bracelet was from 2 nights ago.
Okay. I believe you.
But I
have to
don't
know
know the
people.
numbers.
Well, you will be any numbers you have in your phone. You'll be able to get out when you get there. So please have a seat in the car.
Sir,
Please,
please.
I'm not going to ask you again. Please have a seat.
I understand, but please, can you not make an exception, please? I promise I'll be
We are
doing
past
it.
that. I need you to sit in the car.
What would I have to do?
Nothing. The only thing that you could do to not go to jail tonight is not drive drunk. That's the only thing that would stop you from not going to jail tonight, is not driving drunk.
I wasn't trying to. I'm sorry. I wasn't trying to. I promise.
I understand you weren't trying to, but you were. So,
But I wasn't driving drunk at all.
okay. Please have a seat.
And there's nothing I can do, sir.
No, ma'am. Fortunately, there's not.
Even if somebody picks me up?
We're past that. Can you please put your knees in towards the front? Thank you.
Naomi polis aracına bindirilip Sarasota ilçe hapishanesine götürüldü. Arabasındaki içilmiş alkol şişeleri ve nefes testini reddetmesi dosyasına ağır bir yük bindirdi. Mahkeme süreci devam ediyor ve Florida yasaları altında onu bekleyen cezanın hafif olmayacağı açık.